I'm Harry McLaughlin. I'm studying electrical and electronic engineering at Newcastle University, and I'm here at OnPath as part of my integrated masters. I heard about OnPath Energy's grid placement opportunity through Newcastle University, so as part of my integrated masters it's advised that we find a placement for the first semester. I had my interview and then heard back the next day right away that I'd gotten a position here. I guess the reason OnPath Energy stands out and appeals for me is the renewable energy aspect, because I've always been interested in engineering, electrical engineering, but having that renewable focus really drew me towards the company. So I've been looking at grid feasibility studies for potential wind and solar sites across the country, studying connection queues, contacting network operators, all in hopes of getting a grid connection for projects. I've also been on a few site visits, actually seeing wind turbines. It's just interesting to see how it goes from the office here to actually being constructed. The trickiest part of the placement so far has been how different it is to university, whilst also sharing theory aspects. It's very different actually being in a workplace and actually having my work affect what goes on at the business. My highlights at OnPath have definitely been seeing the feedback and the immediate effects of my work, feeling important to the business, going out to site visits, like I mentioned, and just meeting everyone here and working alongside them. I would definitely recommend OnPath Energy to anyone looking to go into the renewable energy field, because they've got such a wide reach across the country, got sites across Scotland and England, and they're always expanding, and it just feels like working in a close family. It's just been really nice, really, really great.